Welcome. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through how to enable alerts for comments notifications on Google Drive. If you've ever shared a document, presentation, or spreadsheet and missed important feedback, then turning on comment alerts is the perfect way to stay updated in real time. By the end of this guide, you'll have alerts set up so you never overlook a comment again. Let's get started. The first step is to open your phone's main settings. This is where you can control all your apps, permissions, and notifications. Take a moment to scroll through until you find apps. Tap on it, and you'll see a complete list of all the applications installed on your device. From the list, go ahead and select Google Drive. This is the app where all your cloud files are stored, and it's where you'll be controlling how notifications appear on your phone. Once you're inside the Google Drive settings, look for the option labeled Notifications and give it a tap. In the Notifications menu, you'll see a section called Notification Categories. This is really important because it breaks down the types of notifications you can receive. Each category controls a different kind of alert. Go ahead and choose this option. Next, scroll until you find the category for comments. This is the one that controls the alerts you'll get whenever someone adds a comment to your shared Google Drive files. Tap on Comments to open up its settings. Now, simply select Alert. By turning on alerts, you're ensuring that your phone doesn't just quietly deliver a notification, but actively lets you know the moment a new comment is made. This way, you'll always be up to date with collaboration, suggestions, and important discussions happening in your files. And that's it. You've successfully enabled alerts for comments notifications on Google Drive. From now on, whenever someone comments on your document, you'll be notified immediately, making it easier for you to respond quickly and stay on top of your work. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to follow along for more quick and simple tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching.